like blue heelers mixed with something else.
They ain't gonna jump on me, are they?
Nah, they're just dogs.
Okay.
They just there to keep out predators.
Yeah. There's the chickens there.
They're good people.
Oh wow. Yep.
Yeah, there's some chickens. Another chicken house. We ain't checking for the bugs. We went up to the solar panels over there. See, the solar panels was gonna be like together underground. The reason we was on a hill and it slopes like this was that over time we would get water from our well and water from down here to go to the garden and to, you know, all the
Yeah.
and be self-sufficient kind of.
But the
That's
drought.
what he was- yeah, the drought. Like everything he wanted to happen, it couldn't. You know. I was like, man, he just picked the worst time to come to Texas. Yeah, we just started this.
Oh, okay.
So we had our first go with that trailer, that Texas flag trailer out there. We were selling that on the side of the road last weekend. Like, bro.